Hello, welcome to Kitchen Day. This is our first video on this channel and we're here to try a lot of new recipes together. All our recipes will be in both English as well as Tamil, and all our Tamil videos are being posted on our other channel called Degree Coffee. The Degree Coffee link is down below. If you guys do like our video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Kitchen Day. Thank you.
And today we're going to see how to make peanut chutney.
Now let's see the ingredients. Half cup peanuts, 1 teaspoon cumin, 6 to 7 garlic pods, 2 red chillies, 2 tablespoon roasted gram dal, 2 diced shallots, 1 small piece of tamarind, 1 teaspoon of mustard, few curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of oil, and salt as required.
We can skip this step if we have the store-bought or the homemade roasted peanuts already. Once the pan gets medium hot, add in the peanuts and roast it for a few minutes. We have been roasting it for about 2 minutes now. We know it's done when it gets brown here and there and it starts smelling really good. So now this is done, let us just let it cool down. In the same pan, I've added 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add in the cumin seeds, garlic pods, dry red chillies, and the shallots, and just saute it well. Next, let's add in the roasted chana dal and tamarind and saute it, and let us cook this until the onions are done. Now that it's done, let it cool down completely. After it has cooled down completely, I've transferred it to a blender along with the roasted peanuts. Now add about half cup of water and blend it well. Now that our chutney is done, we just have to add the tadka to it. For that, let's heat up some oil in a pan, and to that we add some mustard seeds. Let it splutter, and then we add in our curry leaves, and once it crackles, let's add this tadka to our chutney, and our peanut chutney is all done now. Thank you so much for watching this video.